In this video, I will guide you how to add a photo box in Word document. I have an article, and first you need to place the cursor where you want to put the picture. For example, I want to place the picture here. So then head to the developer tab and click on this picture content control. A box will appear here. You can stretch it and resize it according to your need. And then click on this picture icon and click on from a file and select the picture. For example, I'm selecting this picture, and now if you try to move it, it is not moving. So you want to move it, go to the picture format and click on the position and click on the more layout option and head to the text wrapping and click on the square and click OK. Now you can move this picture anywhere in the article. So add a photo box, you need to click on the picture format and go to the picture border. You can select it and first select the color of your choice. I'm selecting this purple color and again go to the picture border and click the weight of the border. For example, I'm selecting this 6 pt and again go to the picture border and click on this dashes type and select the dash if you prefer any of them, like this one, and click more lines and go to the compound type and click on this option and select the different option which you like most. You can use it. This is a 3-line border, so I am happy with that. So go to the picture format and you can also select the more outline colors like this one. Here you can see that the color has been changed. You can also go to the picture styles and select any pre-built picture style which you like most. You can go happy with that and go to these picture styles. So plenty of options is available. So you can select any of your choice. So with this different method, you can easily insert a photo box in Word document. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.